The thing I find most rewarding about being a midwife is being a part of the journeys of these families. You know, it's such a special part of their life, going throughout the pregnancy and then the labour and birth and then the postpartum period. I chose to go through Otago Polytechnic because of the location. Also, they've got a very good reputation of having a good midwifery school. They've got some great lecturers, you know, kind of internationally renowned midwives working for the Polytechnic.
Midwifery was something that I'd always been interested in, but I was always a little bit scared, to be honest, of the responsibility. So it took me having my children to realise that I really wanted to do it and wanted to be a part of the midwifery care system in New Zealand. I think the thing I find most rewarding is when women surprise themselves. So if they're having challenges, and just that perseverance and supporting them through any of those challenges, whether it's in their birth or whether it's postnatally with breastfeeding or things like that, and to think that you've supported them through that, that's a pretty awesome experience. Otago was the only institute that offered midwifery via distance. It meant that you can pretty much pick and choose when you do your study and when you do your assignments rather than having to attend lectures all the time. There are sort of compulsory lectures online which make it easy to fit in at home.
So I much preferred being in control of my learning. I'm not the kind of person to sit down and in a class 9 till 5, and definitely with a huge clinical aspect is what I really enjoyed. I'm much more of a hands-on learner, and right from year 1 we were able to do that. Even though it might put some people off with the way that the satellites are run and that it's not face-to-face all the time, I think it definitely does set you up to be a midwife.
Definitely recommend Otago Polytechnic to study midwifery if you're going to do it. It just gives you flexibility. The level of our lecturers are amazing, so I couldn't rate them highly enough. And a really supportive environment, a really supportive midwifery team to get you through. I can't imagine doing it anywhere else.